Every man sees women through the lens of his own experiences. Some believe that giving her everything, attention, time, and effort will make her stay. Others think playing hard to get is the key, but neither extreme works. You've probably seen it happen. A guy meets a girl, and in the beginning, it's all exciting. She's texting constantly, eager to see him. He thinks, this could be something real. So naturally, he leans in, texts first, makes all the plans, puts her above everything else. Then suddenly, she changes. She's slower to reply, less engaged. She says things like, I've been busy, or let's see, when he wants to hang out. And most guys panic, trying harder, sending longer texts, asking if something's wrong, pushing for more time together. But here's the killer. When you chase, she runs. It messes with your head, right? You start overanalyzing. Did I do something wrong? Did she meet someone else? Trust me, it happens to every guy. The worst thing you can do? Panic and chase. Instead, it's time to learn the art of pulling back. If you do it right, you can flip the script and have her chasing you. Let's dive into how. Point 1. Why pulling back works. Think about this. Why do people go crazy over limited edition sneakers or VIP events? Why do celebrities seem so desirable? Because they're not easily available. People crave what they can't easily have. This isn't just modern psychology. This goes way back. Take Emperor Augustus of Rome, one of the most powerful men in history. But he didn't make himself overly available. He would disappear for weeks, letting people wonder about him. And when he returned, his presence was more powerful than ever. Now, think about your situation. If you're always there, always texting, always available, where's the excitement? Where's the mystery? When you pull back, you give her space to miss you, to wonder about you. But here's the mistake most guys make. They either pull back too much and make her feel unwanted, or they panic and start chasing harder. Both will kill attraction. The key? Find the balance. Point 2. Give her space, but don't let go. Imagine this. You're holding a rubber band. If you pull too hard, what happens? It snaps. But if you let it stretch naturally, it bounces right back. That's exactly how attraction works. A guy meets a girl, things are going great, but then she starts pulling away. And what does he do? He panics. He texts more, calls more, plans spontaneous dates, trying to win her back. But instead of bringing her closer, she pulls away even more, until she's gone. Now picture another guy in the same situation, but instead of chasing, he stays cool. He leans back, focuses on his own life, and lets her wonder about him. And then, she comes back. Why? Because when a woman feels space, it triggers something deep inside her, the instinct to pursue. The key isn't to cut her off completely, it's to step back just enough and let the rubber band snap back on its own. Point 3. Don't let fear run the show. Let's be real. When a woman starts pulling away, it triggers something deep inside you. That sinking feeling, that's fear. The fear of losing her. But here's the truth. That fear isn't love. That's your ego talking. And the moment you let fear take over texting, over explaining, trying too hard, you give away all your power. A man who commands respect and attraction doesn't let emotions control him. He stays grounded. He doesn't chase. He focuses on his life, his fitness, his goals, his passions, and that is what makes him magnetic. Think about it. When you're always available, she starts wondering, why is he so obsessed with me? Doesn't he have anything going on? But when you're calm, collected, and in control, it sends a powerful message. You are the prize. Point 4. The story of the one who got away. Let's flip the script. Have you ever really wanted a girl, but she just wasn't that into you? Then, the moment you stopped trying, suddenly she was the one hitting you up. This happens all the time, because when you stop giving someone attention, they start craving it more. I once knew a girl who was dating a guy who was too available, always texting, always eager, always ready to drop everything for her. At first she liked him, but over time, she got bored. Then, he stopped trying. He shifted his focus back to himself. And guess what? Suddenly, she couldn't stop thinking about him. She even admitted, I don't know why, but I miss him now. Why? Because we want what we can't easily have. Women don't chase men who are always there. They chase men who are worth chasing. Point 5. The simple formula: hang out, have fun, hookup. So how do you actually pull back the right way without making it awkward? It's simple. Stop overthinking it. Don't be the one always texting first. Let her reach out sometimes. If she takes hours to respond, match her energy. No instant replies. No waiting by your phone. Shift your focus back to yourself. Hit the gym. Work on your goals. Get out there and meet new people. Build a life so fulfilling that you become the prize. And when you do talk to her, keep things light, playful, no desperate energy, no "do you still like me" vibes. But the most important part, when you're with her, just have fun. No heavy conversations about where this is going. No pressure, no overcomplicating things, just pure, effortless enjoyment. Because here's the reality, if she's truly interested, she'll show it. She'll text first, she'll make plans, she'll want to be around you. And if she doesn't, then she was never really yours to begin with. And lastly, the final takeaway, stay in control. The moment you feel a girl pulling away, don't freak out, don't double text, don't start chasing. Instead, just pull back slightly, give her space, let her come to you. A man who truly understands this never worries about losing a woman because he knows he is the prize. So, the next time you notice a girl acting distant, don't panic, don't overanalyze, don't try to fix it. Just lean back, relax, and let things play out. And when she does come back, stay grounded. Keep your focus on your path, your purpose, because the second you start overinvesting again, you'll lose her all over again. Now go out there and start winning.